Hey everyone, Elise with Dirt Road Dancing here, and we are getting ready to dance it out to a brand new one, Strummingbird, 4-wall 32 count dance. If you still need to learn this dance, click that link above and it'll take you to our tutorial where we taught in front of a live audience crowd. All right, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you on the other side.
Spent all my money on this ticket. I spent the rest down at the bar. But I got one life and I'm here to live it. So tonight under these southern stars, I'm gonna raise up a red cup to all my new friends. Yeah, to all my new friends. Well, here's to a night that we don't want to end. So give me one more beer, one more song, one more chance to play it all night long. One more dance, baby, one more kiss. I'm gonna wind up wishing for one more night like this. Come on. Don't wanna go back to my hometown. Hell, I don't even wanna go to bed. So go tip the bartender and the band and give me one more beer, one more song, one more chance to play it all night long. One more dance, baby, one more kiss. I'm gonna wind up wishing for one more night like this. Yeah, night like this. Give me one more beer, one more song, yeah, one more chance to play it all night long. One more dance, baby, one more kiss. I'm gonna wind up wishing for